Hello, good morning, student. Today we will discuss Wheatstone Bridge, in which four resistors will be given to us. Wheatstone Bridge is an arrangement of four resistors in the form of a bridge, which is used for measuring the unknown resistance in terms of three known resistance: R1, R2, R3, R4 are the resistance. G is galvanometer. One battery and key is attached there. And at balance condition, R2 by R1 equal to R4 by R3. Now what is balance condition and how the galvanometer looks? This is galvanometer. It has 0 at the middle and both the side up to 30 divisions are there. So no current flows through the galvanometer, means the pointer will be at 0. Suppose from battery I current flows. In arm AB I1 current flows. So remaining current I minus I1 will go in AD arm. When I1 reach at point B, Ig will go here. So remaining current I minus Ig will go in R4. Galvanometer is G and it has resistance capital G. Its resistance is represented with G. This Ig current will reach at point D, and from point A, I minus I1 current will reach. So the current will add I minus I1 plus Ig will go in R3. At point C, two currents will come. One current from B and one current from D. If you add the currents, then I1 minus Ig plus I minus I1 plus Ig, you will get only I. So to find out the balance condition, we will take two loops. One loop will be ABDA. And we will use the same consideration of sign convention. In the direction of current, the product of current and resistance will be negative. So when we go from A to B, it will be minus I1 R2 minus IgG and plus R1 I minus I1. See here, this is the sign by using sign convention. Minus I1 R2 minus IgG plus I minus I1 into R1. Then you can use loop BCDA. In that also, in the direction of current, the product of current and resistance will be negative, and opposite to the direction of current will be positive. So BCDA, the loop will be this BC here in the direction of current. So it will be, sign will be minus R4 into this, but when we come here, current is going here, so its sign will be plus BC like this D. When we go this side, here the plus Ig into G. See, plus Ig into G. The value of R is adjusted such that galvanometer shows 0 deflection. Select the values of other three resistors such that no current flows through the galvanometer. Ig will be 0. And if you put the value of Ig 0 in equation 1 and 2, these equations will become minus I1 R2 plus I minus I1 R1. If Ig is 0 here, 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 then this equation will become minus I1 R2 plus I minus I1 R1 equal to 0, minus I1 R4 plus I minus I1 R3. Then rearrange and then divide equation 5 by 6. So I minus I1 will cut, and in right hand side I1 will cut. So it will become R1 upon R3, it is equal to R2 upon R4, or R4 upon R3 equal to R2 upon R1. This is our Wheatstone bridge. Under balanced condition, no current flows through the galvanometer. And the ratio of the resistance will be equal R2 by R1 equal to R4 by R3. Now we will use this Wheatstone bridge principle to determine the value of unknown resistance by using meter bridge. This is meter bridge, which consists 1 meter scale and metal strip, copper metal strip, and one wire between A to C, that wire of 1 meter. R will be the unknown resistance, S will be standard arm, and from B we connect one point, that is jockey. Between B to D we connect one galvanometer and then D. See, this diagram is very similar to this diagram. Between B to D one galvanometer is connected. So same thing you can see in our meter bridge diagram. This B to D one galvanometer is connected. Now it will become 4 arm, and that 4 arm will be 1 arm this, 1 arm this. So we can say it will be like this. This point is B and this point is D. This is A. Between A and B, this resistance. Between B and D, galvanometer. Between B and C, S, and here unknown resistance, here another resistance 100 minus L. Now we will use this meter bridge, and in practical case it seems like this. You can use one battery. This is galvanometer is connected. Experimental setup. This is resistance box, and this, it looks like this meter bridge. It is a wooden plank and 1 meter rod, and this is two. Here we use unknown resistance, here known resistance, and this point is B, and with B point we use one jockey. This is jockey. See, this is jockey, and unknown resistance is here. Resistance box. This battery, you can take any battery, and 1 meter length. This length is 1 meter, on which one constantan wire is fixed. Constantan is an alloy of copper, nickel, manganese, carbon. So galvanometer is connected here, and with the galvanometer we connect one jockey, and that jockey is touched here. When you touch jockey here, here, we get one such point at which galvanometer shows zero deflection. Suppose galvanometer shows the zero deflection at L length, from this side. So what will be the remaining length? 100 minus L. So what is the resistance of L length? if R is the resistance of unit length, so what is the resistance of L length? The resistance of L length will be L into RCM. This length is what? 100 minus L. So what will be its resistance? 100 minus L into RCM. So 4 resistance will be there then. Now see, this is, here we have RS. RS, so R is unknown resistance, S is standard resistance. Suppose D is the point at which galvanometer shows zero deflection. So in the gap of meter bridge, we connect here unknown resistance and standard resistance. Now let us consider that R is the jockey is connected to some point D on the wire, a distance L from end A. The jockey can be moved along the wire. If RCM is the resistance of unit length, then resistance of L length AD will be RCM into L, and the resistance of remaining length 100 minus L will be 100 minus L into RCM, that is CD. One arm will be AD, one arm will be CD, one arm will be AB, and one will be BC. So like this we have 4 arms, and all 4 arms have resistance. AB, R, unknown resistance. BC, S, standard resistance. DA, DA is what? This is DA. This is DA. DA will be this. L length and remaining length, because it is 1 meter total. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter. This is L. So what will be this? This is L. This is 100. This is L. So remaining will be 100 minus L. So we can take the ratio R by S equal to RCM into L upon 100 minus L into RCM, and then RCM will cut. R by S equal to L upon 100 minus L. So R, the unknown resistance, can be determined by using this, by measuring the length. Suppose standard resistance is 2 ohm and L is 40 centimeter. So we can determine R, because only L we required. Remaining, definitely it will be, if L is 40, the remaining will be 60. So like this we can calculate the value of unknown resistance. Don't rub the jockey on the wire, otherwise it will change the resistance. Jockey should be touched gently, and jockey is used to determine the null point. Null point is that point at which galvanometer shows zero deflection. This is standard method to determine the resistance by using meter bridge. Thank you.